The next feature I want to show you is how to remove the background from a photo all within TikTok as you're editing your TikTok. This is a really cool feature that I don't think a lot of people know about. So again, I have filmed a little clip in the TikTok creation portion of the app. What I'm gonna go to next is stickers down at the bottom, and then there's an icon for you to add photos to your TikTok. So tap that. Now here we see our photos. Here's a photo that I just took. The key feature that you need to look at right here is at the bottom where it says upload to remove background. What it's gonna do is cut me out of the image. So make sure you tap that. Now TikTok is gonna go ahead and cut me out. That was really quick and really accurate. So there we go. I've just created like a sticker of myself that I can add to this TikTok. Again, when I tap it, I have a couple options. I can pin it, I can set the duration. So if I just want it to pop in for a second, of course, this needs to make sense in terms of the story, but you can see that it just popped up for a second or two according to the duration of the sticker that I just set. So also a really cool storytelling feature. For even more trainings like today's video and 300 done for you video ideas so that you can grow your business on TikTok or Reels if you prefer, head to videosvault.co. This is my two-part program that gives you 300 video ideas for your coaching, services, or product-based business. And it gives you all the how-to demos and tutorials of how to make TikTok videos and Reels. It is a jam-packed program, and it's helping business owners get up to speed very quickly when it comes to short-form video marketing. So head to videosvault.co to grab yours today, and I'll leave the link right below this video. To ease in revenue, I'll see you in the next video.